Top 10 Pet Store in Orlando. 1. Blvd Pet Store, 4.9, 291 reviews, Semoran Blvd Suite No. 4. 2. The Pawtastic Pet Shop, 4.9, 111 reviews, International Dr. 3. The Bird Store, 4.8, 269 reviews, South Bumby Avenue. 4. Gracie's, 4.8, 134 reviews, Dillard St. 5. Pet Orlando, 4.8, 83 reviews, Milner Blvd No. 3. 6. Choose a Puppy, 4.7, 10,749 reviews, Colonial Dr. 7. Blue Sky Puppies Orlando, 4.6, 3,123 reviews, US 192 No. 102. 8. Farm and Pet Superstore Orlando, 4.6, 495 reviews, Colonial Dr. 9. PetSmart, 4.4, 1670 reviews, John Young Parkway. 10. PetSmart, 4.4, 1429 reviews, Colonial Dr.